guys, so for today's video I thought I'd take you guys on a little bit of an adventure around LA. I like thrifting. I do it at home a lot, but I've never gone thrifting in LA before, and it's kind of big here. There are some places in LA that are known for having like good vintage, secondhand stores, and I've never tried it. I'm a little nervous, so I thought for today's video I would try out some well-known thrift stores in LA, see if it's worth the hype. I know a lot of these stores are also kind of known for like really marking up the prices, so like, is it really worth that? Is it really that expensive? Just kind of debunk the whole LA thrifting culture. I also made sure to choose 3 stores that were pretty different price-wise, kind of stuff they have, and just like, you know, their overall vibe. So get a lot of diversity there in the stores. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and without further ado, let's get started. Hello guys, so it is a Thursday morning and we're about to head out to start our thrift shopping for today. We've never gone thrift shopping in LA before, so a little nervous if we can like navigate it and find stuff. We've gone thrift shopping like in our own areas, just not here. But I've gone to like a couple stores that like sell secondhand clothes and they do mark it up a lot. So hopefully we can find some like good stores that aren't super expensive. I think we're gonna head up 3 places, 2 like vintage stores, 1 Goodwill, and just kind of see what we can find, be creative. I'm in the good like thrifting mindset right now, so hopefully I can like find some good stuff and not spend too much money. So let's go. So the first store we went to was American Vintage. This is more of like a medium price point. It's not like Goodwill prices, but it's not like trendy thrift store prices, if you know what I mean. It's actually right on Melrose Avenue too, so pretty prime location. Looks pretty cool. There's a lot of like vintage shops around here, so hopefully we'll find some stuff. You guys excited?
We're gonna debunk the TikTok myths.
I feel like people always say they find really cool stuff here, but I don't know, I'm a little skeptical.
We have a good mindset.
Yeah, we're in the mood to thrift.
We're in the mood, so I'm hoping to get some good stuff. Yeah. Fingers crossed.
I feel like
you guys.
You're a good thrifter.
I don't know.
Jordan's a little skeptical.
I'm not. I think we have the full spectrum of thrifting in our group, so I think it'll be.
And we've never thrifted in LA before.
I'm so curious. I've never.
I think it'll be interesting.
Because I feel like it'll be good.
And people have good style here, so like they donate good stuff, I'm hoping. So yeah, let's
go.
So going into the store, it was a little bit overwhelming. There was like a ton of clothes in there. There were multiple rooms. It was also very hot, which I think just like made us feel more overwhelmed. But we got to digging. The prices were pretty decent. There were definitely like some things that were marked up a lot, but other things were a very good price. Ooh, lots of shorts.
Why is this like the Mean Girls one?
Oh my god, it is.
Like, this is 12.
Oh, that's really good. I need like an oversized denim jacket. There's also lots of belts.
It's kind of funny.
But fun.
I saw this girl wearing them with like a blue brandy jacket.
Oh,
I don't know. I'm a little skeptical.
Kind of striking out here, honestly. I feel like this has some potential if I just wear like another bra underneath of it.
It's almost too much stuff.
Yeah.
It's
like literally that. And there's a room back there. All this. It's a little toasty. Okay, definitely medium success. Madison got the jacket, got the lace bustier. Kind of, and the prices were really good though. I think if you like really looked through everything, it'd be worth it. But there was just so much stuff.
I just think in the sections that we were looking in, like lingerie, jackets.
Not that great there. I really wanted to get like, well, I can still find one hopefully, but I'm really looking for a good oversized jacket. Overall, I think I would go there again, but I think that you really need to be in like a good thrifting looking mindset to go through there, because there's like just so much stuff. Next up, we went to another store on Melrose Avenue called American Rebel. This one is definitely a higher price point, and you can really see why when you go in. It's very organized. There's not a ton of stuff, so it's very easy to like look through things. You can tell they really put a lot of effort into like finding good pieces for their customers, and yeah, the prices really reflect that. It was a lot more expensive. However, we did find some really good stuff. Okay, stop number 2. Let's go. Oh, it's so cute. This one's a little more expensive, but like cute.
Oh, I think this would really be good.
Ooh, I like these. 45. Oh, that's cool. They like make them. Ooh, jackets. 85. Oh my god. Oh, this one's only 45. I feel like for this stuff you pay because they find a lot of good stuff and then they sell it for higher. It's a really pretty store. It's like a set.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
30 and 45. That looks like brand spanking new.
Chicago. They fit really well.
Yeah, they really do.
Nice.
Let's see Ella.
Oh, those are good.
Oh, those are really good.
Those are kind of long, but like if I cuff them a little bit.
Madison, what are your thoughts on this day? I've never been hotter, to be honest. It's terrible. Like, I'm actually dying right now, but
It's okay. Hey, 2 purchases.
oh,
I feel like they had air conditioning in there, maybe.
that one is
a little
definitely
bit.
really nice.
So the Levi shorts were like 26, and the jacket I got was like 35.
Yours were 26?
Yeah.
Mine were 36.
What?
That's weird.
That's strange. But still, it's better than like buying Levi's.
Yeah.
Yeah, you definitely pay for them to like find good stuff for you and organize it, because it's very easy to like look through everything.
That's so true.
But we're having a little contrast now because we're going to Goodwill.
Oh gosh.
But I feel like you could find like stuff for very cheap that could be very expensive at like a place like this at Goodwill. Like I feel like they get their stuff here at Goodwill.
Like the jackets that were in there were like $100, while as the jacket that I got that was the exact same was $28. Across the
Yeah,
street.
because I feel like this kind of vintage store, they go to like one we just went to and like Goodwill's and they mark it up. Which like I kind of appreciate because it makes it less work, but that's
But are you
thrifting
willing
now.
to pay the price?
I know. We'll have to look harder. I'd say this is more of a store if you're not really in much of like a looking mood and you just want to get like some cool secondhand pieces. And finally, we hit up a Goodwill right around the West Hollywood area. This one was also a little overwhelming. There was a lot of stuff in there, as most Goodwills have, except it was very organized, I would say. Pretty clean. Lots of home decor options. The gold is kind of cute. Oh, LOU!
Campus Ministry.
Black biker shorts?
So Harley Davidson?
Oh, that's cool.
Both of them are.
Wait, that's such a random find.
I know, right?
That's cute though.
They're kind of big.
Unfortunately, we did kind of strike out here. Didn't find too much, but I could see there being some potential there. Like maybe just another time around we would have found stuff. Okay, so we really struck out here, but Madison has a plan with her sweatpants. That'll be cute.
Alright, so I got these little sweatpants, okay, Harley Davidson. And so on the bottom of one leg, we have this little moment, right? So I'm thinking of cutting them into shorts.
I think that'll be good.
And there's a yucky little stain right there, so maybe
That's
I'll
okay.
cover it up. And then make this like a tube top.
I think that'll be perfect.
Or like a little bra top.
Oh, yeah.
Like, that kind of seems like it'll fit.
Yeah, and it'll stretch
And it's
too.
an XL. And then these pants,
Are they the same or just smaller? Different
they're
size?
a little bit different, and I don't think they have the thing on the bottom.
Oh.
Do they?
But I feel like making them into shorts is a really good idea.
Does
Oh,
the drawstring like actually cinch it?
I think so.
You could like just
Yeah.
really, ooh.
Vibes. So I
good.
kind of think this is, and if not, I feel like the Depop girls would like this.
That's
so.
good.
We'll
Hand
just
it
play
over to
around,
them.
hand it over to
Yeah.
them, see what they can do.
Looked really hard. I looked in the sweaters, I looked at the t-shirts, men's jackets, kids' clothes.
She was trying,
I
guys. I saw the effort.
It's not there. But I got 3 things today. That's pretty good. And like I actually like all of them because sometimes I just buy things because I'm like, oh, this is like decent, and I worked really hard to find
Yeah.
it. But yeah,
Like what I
day.
do.
You know, I like you got good stuff. And then we can do a little try-on haul in a couple days after we wash everything.
Yes.
And do a little review. Okay guys, we're back, and this is our little haul. This is what we got. So, first store we went to was American Vintage. You kind of went off there. You got a lot of stuff.
I thought that there was a lot of great stuff, a lot of very interesting things. There were a lot of cowboy boots.
There
which,
were a lot
I mean,
of cowboy
girls are
boots.
into that. I have my fair share of cowboy boots actually. But what I ended up picking up was this jacket. And I know what you're thinking. It looks like a pilot jacket. However, I think you can throw this on the most basic outfit, jeans and a tee, maybe like an all white outfit, and boom, automatically elevates it. And
I
the
agree.
price range in that store also was really inexpensive.
Yeah,
like
it's
this
not
was
that
$28, and this is like heavy, good quality
Yeah.
leather, like perfectly worn in, perfectly oversized. Like it's not too oversized to the point where I'm like swallowed up in it, but I really like this piece. I think it's a staple for fall.
cute.
Browns are
Very
really
good.
in.
I think the brown's good.
Might have to buy one.
I know.
But I think jackets, if you're a new thrifter, if you were to go to just one section of a thrift store, I would go to jackets.
So I got one thing. It's this little bustier lace top, except I didn't try it on obviously, but it's way too big on me, so I'm gonna sell it if anyone's interested. It's on my Depop
bio.
But I feel like if this fit, it would have been really cute. Like, it's obviously see-through, but like it would look good with like just a black strapless bra underneath. You wouldn't be able to tell. And then with like jeans, I feel like mom jeans kind of.
Yes. And dogs.
Good. So whoever buys this, those are my ideas. Okay, so the next store we went to was American Rebel. This was completely different than American Vintage. It was so organized and like it was definitely a higher price point. Things were more expensive, but it was kind of worth it. Like they really made it very organized, easy to find stuff.
AC
Felt very
Oh
clean.
yeah, there was AC. It was very clean. You could try stuff on there, and like I felt comfortable doing that, you know. So they had a lot of shorts. I got these cut off Levi's shorts. And not a lot of vintage stores I feel like have my size in jeans, so it was like very nice that I found these. The only thing I don't like about Levi's in general, like no hate to the thrift store, it's just like a Levi's thing, is they stretch a lot, so I feel like I need to like wash and dry these very frequently. But still really cute. I would say one of my top favorite pairs of shorts. Now that I've already worn them a lot.
Yeah.
And then I also got another denim thing. I found this like oversized black denim jacket.
That's really good.
I really needed like an oversized denim jacket. I think this was only like $39 or something, so not horrible. Like there were some jackets there that were like $150. This was one of like the cheaper ones.
I had a purchase here. It was very exciting. My first thrift purchase ever. I got Levi's too, and they were like $35.
Yeah.
For some reason,
Wait, does yours have the thing on the back? Oh no. Okay, I thought mine was. You
I
didn't
may have
that.
gotten what's it called? Ripped off because I paid $10 more
Yeah,
than her.
they're
But
like literally the same.
yeah, mine are a little darker, I guess.
But I feel like these are good because they're a little bit longer.
yes,
you
they're
know?
a little longer.
Yeah.
They fit great. I've already worn them a lot.
Yeah.
I love them.
I tried on a pair, didn't work out for me.
Didn't work
But
out.
It's not for everyone. It's not for
I feel like we
everyone.
could definitely go back there.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe there's a different one.
The last store we went to was Goodwill. Me and Jordan really struck out there. You kind of had like an interesting find.
I would really like to elaborate on my interesting find. So I was seriously not even, like I was a little bit worn out. I was like, okay, whatever. And then all of a sudden, I find these two pants in the workout athleisure section, and they're two Harley Davidson sweatpants, and they're huge. Like literally, like I know you're supposed to like measure on your neck. Huge. However, they're like really cool, and I just kind of had like anything Harley Davidson. I'm like I have to get it because I feel like the Depop girls go crazy over it, and they're just right next to each other, so I got them. So I tried them on. These pants actually fit okay, just like a little bit long and a little bit big, but it scrunches obviously, and you can cinch it super tight. These are an XL, so they're really big, but the color I thought was so cool, and I want to potentially make a little set and then make a little tube crop top out of the pant leg.
Also, at that Goodwill, I found a Celine top that was really
You
good.
did?
And then I saw someone walking out of the store with it, so I missed my opportunity. But they had some good random things.
Yeah, I can't remember the exact address, but put it down below. It was like in West Hollywood. It was like 10 minutes from Melrose. So that was our experience thrifting in LA. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more videos like this. We had a ton of fun filming it. Also, if you are not already, be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at @Elbells. And if you're not already subscribed, be sure to go ahead and do that. I post every single Saturday. And yeah, I will see you guys next week. Bye!